So, first off, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers who also are friends on Facebook for all the well wishes and the prayers and stuff sent out for my wife. I had a little family emergency and she spent some time in the hospital this week. Been a little distracted, as you could understand, so I didn't get a hell of a lot done on the Chili Pepper guitar, but I did get some polyurethane on it, and it's getting there. I just put another coat on it. You can see it's got little bubbles in it right now and brush strokes, which will all level out, you know, as it's curing up. Also, to let you guys know that I haven't forgot about you, the two guys that won bone picks from me. The pick pouches came in, so got that all set, and picks fit in there really nicely. So those will be going out sometime this week, I promise. I haven't forgot about you. It's just been a little sidetracked with family stuff. I'm gonna still continue to lay some more coats of polyurethane on top of the fabric here, and after that cures up, I'm gonna flush cut the fabric around the body, and then I'm gonna route it for binding. And I got a drawer over there filled with a bunch of pieces of binding and extra stuff left over, so we'll see if I can scrape enough together to put some binding around this guitar. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it outside in the sun so you guys can check it out.
All right, so we're outside. We'll set it here on top of the tipper barrel, and see what it looks like. See if we still need to route around the outside, but I want to get the majority of the top sealed up before we do that. Sides are a mess, but I'm going to be sanding that all down after I route for the binding. Well, maybe before I do that. But there it is. Looking pretty good. That looks pretty good.
So this is going to be a short video, just a progress report, and I will be getting back to the Deacon soon. I'm actually itching to start working on that thing again, so I will see you guys next week. So you take care of yourself, stay out of trouble. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.